Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is very kind. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is very merciful. It is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who has, through His kindness, created us. It is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who has given us parents. It is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who has given us brothers and sisters. It is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who has given us a nice home. It is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who gives us clothes, and it is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who gives us food. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created the sun for us. If the sun did not rise in the morning, we would remain in darkness forever and ever. So it is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who makes the sun rise every morning. And as a result of the sun rising, we see light. And in the daylight, we are able to do so many things that we would not be able to do during the night. And if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not set the sun, then we would not be able to see the night. And without night, we would not be able to sleep properly. We would not be able to rest properly. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created the sun for us. He makes the sun rise in the morning, He makes the sun set in the evening, so that we can have days and nights. During the days, we work, we do our work, and during the nights we sleep and rest. It is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who sends down rain. Without rain, we would not be able to eat vegetables or fruits. Allah sends down rain, and as a result of rain, we are able to benefit from vegetables, we are able to benefit from fruits. Without rain, we would not be able to eat meat, because animals cannot survive without water. And if animals did not survive, from where would we eat meat? And if animals did not survive, we would not be able to drink milk, we would not be able to eat cheese, we would not be able to eat butter. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sends down rain. As a result of rain, He grows vegetables, He grows fruits. From fruits, we eat the fruits, and we also make juices of fruits. We also make jam from fruits. We also make pickles from fruit. And using the fruit, we make cakes, we make pies. So this is the barakah of rain that Allah sends down. From vegetable, from plants, oil is made. And if there was no oil, we would not be able to eat anything that is fried. There would be no fish and chips. There would be no chicken and chips. There would be no samosa, no pakoda. So Allah sends down rain. As a result, vegetable grows. From vegetable, oil is made. And because of oil, we are able to enjoy the fried food. Allah sends down rain. From rain, fruit grows. We eat fruits. We eat jam. We eat pies, we eat cakes. Wheat, barley grows because of water. If there was no wheat, no barley, no flour, no bread, no chapati. So Allah is very kind. It is because of Allah we are getting all these things. If rain stops, everything stops. And if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala did not send down rain, we ourselves would not have existed. Because without water, human cannot survive. We would have died. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is very, very kind. Whatever we have, it is through Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is through Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.